Hey y'all, it's Amy and welcome to another Nate's Art Lab collab. This is a collaboration with Nate Bright Art, and our guest artist this month is Fiona from Fiona Art from Slovenia. Thank you, Fiona, for being a part of our challenge this month. And you and Nate have challenged us to do any type of flower, pour, dip, anything we want, but the stipulation is that it had to be a diptych. So 2 paintings. So what I've decided to do is practice a little bit, and I wanted to actually do one of your techniques that I've seen, and Nate's as well, which is the balloon dip or balloon kiss. So what you're gonna see first is me doing a couple of practices before getting to the diptych. I'm layering my puddles here for the flower by alternating with white or gold. And now I'm gonna slow our video way down. I wanted you to be able to see what I'm doing. I have taken this blown up rubber glove because I did not have any balloons, and I hold it straight over, go straight down, then quickly pull toward me. So your balloon or glove dips down into that paint. Then by quickly pulling it towards you, it creates that stem. And that stem is almost a spiral type shape. It is actually quite beautiful up close. It almost has like a ribbon candy look to it. So I'm gonna hush up and let y'all watch while I try a few more, and I'll check in with you here in a minute. Ooh, that one on the left there got a little wonky up at the top, but I'm gonna take just a skewer and I'm going to kind of draw in a little bit of definition of the petals. I like doing that. I feel like it adds a little more to it, although I'm not sure we can fix that one up there on the left. And now I am just taking out, there was a little bubble there, so I'm just trying to fix that a little bit. And here is an up close look at those. Isn't that pretty? I love the way the white reacts. It has Vallejo in it, and as always, my recipes and colors are down in my description box, so you can check that out there. And while you're down there, go ahead and give me that thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so that you get notifications of my next video. So here we go again with my second practice run. We'll see how this one turns out and decide if I'm ready to jump into that diptych. third time's supposed to be a charm, so let's just go ahead and get into this diptych. When I spread out my paint on the canvas, I do spread it out first and then I tilt it into a cup to get the excess paint off to make sure that I have an even canvas to start on. And now I'm layering my puddles just like I did before, alternating with either white or gold in between for the most part. Fiona does several types of diptychs, but I decided since I'm kind of new to this technique that I wanted to keep it simple. So I have butted my canvases up together. Normally I don't do that, but because I'm puddling and I didn't want it all just to roll off the side, I am pushing them together, and then after I do the dips, I can separate it and then the paint can go down just a little bit on the edge. This is starting to get a little bit scary over here on the left, but don't worry, keep watching. It's gonna get fixed. So here's that fix I was talking about. I wasn't sure how to recover from all the different flowers, so I decided just to scrape it off. I'll pour some more base coat down and we'll give it another go. with our wet results. And I love that one. That flower turned out beautifully. I love the way the pink and the orange combined, and I love the gold. This one is cute too. I think it turned out to kind of look like an iris. Very fun. And there is that twist in the stem that I was talking about, that you get kind of that candy look. And this one I do fix, but you don't see it on camera. I fixed that little spot that's there on the bottom. So these aren't perfect by any means, but I had so much fun playing. The black base paint that you see here that looks a little bit uneven will dry perfectly flat, as you can see here in these dried results. Be sure and watch all the other artists that are in this collaboration. The link is below in the description box. And I'll see you next time down on the canvas.